I hope you're enjoying my videos. This is again an English language tutorial video. We are talking about potting practice and potting balls from the sports, color sports. So today we are going to talk about black, and I'm going to give you a very simple practice which you guys can do. There are so many more practices, I will do it from time to time, but to start with, to get a control of your ball, white ball, is this is one of the very useful practice for every level student. This is not just for basic students, but this is for advanced students as well. What you need to do is to just make sure that you could place your white ball anywhere or as near as possible from the black spot. Don't place it straight, because with the straight shot you can only go forward or coming back. So best angle you need to put your white on is to slightly like this. So you'll have more chance of white ball going anywhere you want, or you can go 3/4 ball pot on this side. So since I'm going to pot this black ball off the spot, and my target is probably 10 blacks in my one attempt without replacing my white ball, so I'm going to place my white ball towards on a 3/4 potting angle of this black ball, and we'll see how we go about it. So let me try this black ball, and then I want you to try this practice as well. 2, 3. So I'm a bit straightish, soft screw. Two. Now I'm in a decent angle. I can either bring my white ball on this end with the slide screw, or maybe I can go on that side as well. Since we are practicing, it's a good idea to keep your white ball on both sides of the table. Yeah, so that will help you to control your white ball a bit more. Three. So simple stun shot, and now I'm back in the 3/4 ball position again. 4. Again, I can go on the other side of the table. 6. Slightly near the cushion, but still it's not too bad. Simple stun shot of the cushion. 8. So now simple screw shot. 9. And 10th black. 10. And I'm still in a good position. Can you place black, please? You can see I'm still in a good position, so I can make a bit more blacks as well. So this is one of the basic practice that will help you to improve your potting angle against black spot, and black is the most important and more I can say is psychologically it puts more pressure on a snooker player when you're potting with black, whether it's the first black or it's a 14th black or 15th black of your frame. So practice this. I would like you to try practice. Place white ball wherever you like. Maybe you can continue from here or your place. So you're putting it 3/4 ball pot? Yes. Okay. So let's see how many blacks Junaid can do. Okay. So you can see what you've done here is you place your ball slightly straightish, probably slightly thickish. it was, you know, so that's why you couldn't get your white ball on this end, and you played it a bit of a stun shot. Let's try it again with a plain top ball. Place it slightly more angle on the shot. Yeah, this should give you a good. Yes, you see, now you're perfectly on a. So the simple you play, the simple position you can make, the more in control you will be. Okay. Slight soft screw, soft stun screw shot, bottom, give it more bottom, a bit more. Yes. That's a good shot, but you actually screwed it back and you finished it here on the black spot. So guys, let Junaid do it again, please. Let him practice. So I hope you understand the importance of potting with black. Give yourself a challenge. Give yourself a 10 blacks challenge. Then you can pot 20 blacks, and then you can give 50 blacks off its spot. That will help you to improve your potting, and it will also help you in your break building as well. Trust me, once you are confident around the black, the break building is become secondary to you. So make sure you give yourself a tough challenge. And you see now he's making another same mistake. So you don't need to stun the ball. When you're on angle, you can just play a follow shot at the bit of top. Play it on say almost 3 between 4, and pace should be 5 or 6. So it will bring your white ball. You don't have to punch it all the time. You don't have to stun it. Okay. So keep sharing my videos. Keep your club clean. Help your friends to improve their games. Share my videos. If you've got any questions, if you've got any videos to share with me, please send me, and I'll try to help you out with your technicalities or with whatever problems you are facing with your game. And follow my Facebook page as well and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye.